Next is Conseils à un sportif. So we are going to advise someone. So we are going to give the sentences in the imperative form. Now take the first sentence. Tu ne dois pas te coucher tard. Now the verb here is te coucher. It is in the reflexive form. But the sentence is negative. So negative ne and pas, right? Ne and pas, and the verb te coucher. Te coucher, ne te coucher pas tard. Ne te coucher pas tard. So because the sentence is negative, it comes in this form. The next one, tu ne dois pas beaucoup manger. Again, the sentence is negative. So ne and pas. The verb is manger. Subject is tu. So manger. Ne mange pas beaucoup. Ne mange pas beaucoup. Next, the last sentence, tu dois te détendre. Tu dois te détendre. Now, the verb here is te détendre. Now, since this verb is reflexive, how do we write? Détendre. Now, tu. So for tu, we conjugate it, and since it is reflexive, it is toi. Détendre-toi. So in the first sentence we had a reflexive verb. So and the sentence was negative. So we wrote ne and pas, filled in the imperative. Ne te coucher pas tard. Then, so you must not forget to add this word here, because that is what gives meaning to the sentence. The next, tu ne dois pas beaucoup manger. Again, the sentence is negative. So ne and pas, the verb conjugated for the subject tu in the imperative. So in the imperative, if you remember, so normally if you conjugate, you will get, because it is an ER verb, you will get S for tu. But in the imperative, this is the form. Ne mange pas beaucoup. And the last sentence, tu dois te détendre. Now, the verb here is again reflexive. So, détendre becomes détendre for tu, détendre-toi. Because it is reflexive and the sentence is positive, we get détendre-toi. So, this is how you give instructions. You use the imperative form to give instructions, that is either an order or a command.